How to download files and folders to your computer using FileZilla. Click on the icon of FileZilla client to open it. In the Quick Connect bar, enter the host name in the host field. It is your domain name. Now enter the username in the username field and password into the password field. You can use your cPanel username and password as your FTP user and password. You may leave the port field empty if your login information doesn't specify a certain port to use. Now click on the Quick Connect button. In the server pane, select files or folders you wish to download. You can press the Control button and choose multiple files and folders. After choosing files and folders, press right-click on a file or folder. Now click on the Download option. The selected file and folder have been downloaded and displayed in the local pane. Thank you for watching.